In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bolt.New tools to your WordPress site in just 5 minutes. We'll go through each step, so by the end, you'll have seamlessly integrated a new mini app or tool into your WordPress site. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, head over to Bolt.New. This website is your go-to platform to create a variety of mini apps or tools that suit your needs. Take a moment to explore the different options available and think about what kind of tool would enhance your website. Whether it's a contact form, a calculator, or any interactive widget, Bolt.new offers a lot of possibilities. Once you've settled on the type of tool you want, it's time to create it. Follow the intuitive design interface to bring your concept to life. The creation process is generally user-friendly, but if you need guidance, have a look at the tutorials available on their website. Designing your tool precisely the way you want it is crucial for ensuring it fits perfectly with your website's functionality and aesthetics. After you've built your mini app or tool, the next step is to deploy it. This simply means making your tool live, so it's ready to be integrated with WordPress. Upon deployment, you'll receive a unique URL for your tool. Make sure to copy this URL as it's essential for the next steps. Now, it's time to move over to WordPress, where the real fun begins. Once you're logged into your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the page or post where you'd like to include your new tool. This involves opening the Gutenberg editor, which is the default WordPress editor that allows for easy content management with its block-based approach. With Gutenberg editor open, locate the page or post in question. This is where you'll make your tool a part of your site's content. What you'll need to do next is add a new block. Look for the Custom HTML option, which lets you embed custom code into your WordPress page. In this custom HTML block, paste the URL that you obtained from Bolt.new. This URL acts as a bridge between your WordPress site and the tool you just created, allowing it to run seamlessly on your page. Ensure the URL is correct and complete to avoid any potential issues with functionality. Once you've embedded the URL, it's time to finalize the update. Hit the update or publish button depending on whether you're editing an existing page or creating a new one. This action saves all your changes, making the new tool visible and functional for all your site visitors, and that's all there is to it. From creating and deploying your tool on Bolt.new to embedding it in WordPress, we've made sure every step is straightforward. Enjoy your new WordPress tool, and as always, feel free to revisit these instructions anytime you want to add more from Bolt.new.